May training ba kahit zero knowledge ako? Yes po, 100%. At hindi lang basta training. Super beginner friendly po siya talaga. Walang experience? No problem. Basta marunong kang mag-scroll sa Facebook at mag-send ng message. You already have what it takes to start po. So, from day 1, guided ka na with step-by-step video lessons, tagless friendly po, at flag and play system, no need mag-code, sample post at ready templates, community at mentor support kapag may question ka po, at mindset training para mas lumakas po ang confidence mo. Kaya kahit shy ka, hindi ka tech savvy, ang feeling mo hindi ka marunong, welcome ka pa rin dito. This business is designed for everyday people yung gustong matuto, mag-grow, and magkaroon ng bagong source of income. Hindi mo kailangang maging expert para magsimula. Kailangan mo lang maging willing na matuto. If gusto mong makita paano ito ginagawa step by step, comment info lang po or message me. God bless po sa ating mga pangarap. Bye-bye!